And hello again. Clip number 2. How are you?
Fine, I suppose.
Can you tell us what we are doing today?
We'll be building another Lego Technic car. This being a Jeep this time. A Jeep Wrangler.
Jeep Wrangler. What do you think? Can you cope with it?
We'll see. I don't have a clue how long this will take. Hopefully not too much longer than the other one.
Okay. So crack on with it. That little thing can do.
Well, you can turn the wheels, so I'm assuming on rocky terrain it can like move around smoothly.
Yeah.
It also has a small like hook here, but I'm assuming you can grab onto other stuff with like maybe.
Can you extend it?
Just pull on it.
Very good.
And retract. You can also open up the hood and look inside. That's about it.
Final. How would you rate it?
A 8 out of 10. It loses 2 points how complex it is.
I love you. Well done.